Hello, Abilene, Texas. It's Randy Dodd, and I'm at my place, and I received a package in the mail today, a box, something I've been expecting for a couple days now. Actually, it was due to be delivered today, but this is going to be my very first unboxing video, and let's take a look at it. One thing you want to do when you open a box, you want to get cut through this tape. I don't think it matters if it's the top or the bottom on this. Cut, cut, and cut. Let's close up the knife, put the knife away, and let's get the box open, take a look and see what we got. Inside we have these little styrofoam deals, packing. Some people call them peanuts. I don't know what they call them where you're from. And inside we have a battery holder kind of deal, looks like, from Nikon, but it's not a battery. It should be a remote control. It's called the ML-L3 remote control from Nikon. I have the D5100, and inside we have the remote control itself. There you go, good shot of it, the remote control. And then after that we have, looks like a little pouch for the remote control, a little holder. Something I will probably lose for sure. See if I can get that open. Yes, little pouch holder for the remote control. And of course the battery for the remote control. And I guess to install it, you want to open this up, and I will have the dangest time doing it. But anyway, the remote control for the Nikon D5100 and a lot of other Nikon cameras, you tie it in through its infrared, and it allows me to take a picture, click like that, without even touching the camera. So it should be a wonderful addition to my small collection of video equipment and camera equipment. But again, this is Randy Dodd. I'm signing off here, and that's about all I have. Thanks a lot.